Okay, we're going to shoot an Ultra 1 video here. Show you how easy these products are to use that we have, how good they are for marine use especially. Today we're going to clean some carpet, some vinyl, and some teak, and some fiberglass all at once with the same product to show you the versatile use of Ultra 1. Alright, what we're going to do, pretty simple. We're going to take some Ultra 1 here, Ultra 1 all-purpose degreaser, and we're going to just apply it to everything here. We're going to put it on the vinyl. We're going to put it on the fiberglass. This is all mildew. It was under trees. We're going to put it on the teak wood. You can even do it on the carpet, which we'll do on another section of the video here. But let's do this first, so you can just see how simple it is to use. So we just sprayed it on, we let it set, and then we're going to come back, just a little scrub brush. I'll wet the brush just a little, and we're going to just come back and we're going to scrub it. That's simple. The fiberglass. And we'll come around and we'll do the teak on the other side so you can see it, so I'm not in the way. Alright, and now we'll do the teak. Scrub brush. All we gotta do. Scrub the teak just a little. And the fiberglass. And we're going to just rinse it off with a hose. That's going to be the test of how well it did on the teak, the fiberglass, and the vinyl. Pretty simple stuff at this point. We'll just take the hose now. And we'll hose it off. And there we go. Pretty simple. Teak looks brand new, the vinyl looks new, fiberglass looks new, and that's the way we go. Okay, we'll now go down by the helm station and we'll clean the carpet and some teak down there. Again, we're going to use Ultra 1 DFE product, user friendly, environmentally friendly. No gloves, no smell, safe on all surfaces. Alright, we'll now clean the helm station. Let's vacuum out a little bit of leaves off the carpet here first. Take some Ultra 1, spray it on the teak, clean that up a little bit down here in a section, and do the carpet in here. We're just taking it right out of the bottle, just spraying it on full strength. I could probably dilute this in half and still get the same result. That's what's good about the product. You can dilute it to any dilution you find that is acceptable and performing to your cleaning expectations, and it does the job. Being diluted a lot less, you're saving money. Alright, we'll take the brush. I'll just wet the brush a bit. And we'll scrub the teak. carpet. Get the carpet a little wet. Can't hurt it because we're going to extract it up with the shop vac. And we'll get in the corner there real good. Simple things that, you know, all you really need is a wet dry shop vac. You can do exactly what you see me doing here. And we'll rinse the teak off. No matter how wet I get it, because we're going to get it up with the shop vac. Soap up. Going to put on the shop vac. And we're going to extract it up. Once again, there's our finished result. Simple Ultra 1, some water, a scrub brush, wet dry shop vac, and we're as good as new. Teak will dry and look great. This is the side we did yesterday with same Ultra 1 you just saw me use on the other side. And you see how nice the teak dried and how nice the carpet looks brand new. And let me see, let me pan this. Let me pause you for a second. Now I got it off the tripod. Let me show you how dirty the rug was here. You get an idea. We went from that to this. You can see the line where we cleaned it. And you can see the teak, how nice that dried. Now we just treat that with teak oil and that'll all look brand new. Whole section up there. We'll go back around to where we just worked on the helm, and once again you can see the difference in the carpet there. You see the line where we worked on it, and we'll go back up over here to where we did the teak over here. You can see how nice Ultra 1 took it from that to that, to the vinyl. We went from this, again, under trees, mildew, to showroom new. Same thing with the fiberglass. We went from all the blackness here, the mold and the mildew, to factory fresh, Sea Ray white. So to give you an idea, from the driver's side of the boat here, this is what the cockpit looked like. You already saw the clean part. Well, yesterday, the other side of the boat looked the same way, and today, other than the rip in the upholstery, you look at the carpet, you look at the vinyl, and you can see it looks factory fresh and brand new. Especially the carpet with the teak down there, that one section we cleaned. And then the blue vinyl upholstery. So the whole boat, your boat, can look like this with just one simple product. The Ultra 1 products clean, deodorize, sanitize, all in one application, and that's all you need. Ultra 1 also is ideal for the bilges in the boat, from your boat from stem to stern. It'll clean the bilges, clean the exterior, the interior, rug, vinyl, teak, the bathroom, fiberglass in the bathroom, anything you have, it'll do it all. Safely,